What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this look. So just watch the process. I look a mess. This isn't okay. That's not okay. Most of the time on Instagram, I'm not wearing makeup. But today, I feel like, you know, we're gonna get really cute today. Like, extra cute, like super duper fire. So I don't know if I'm gonna go like all out, but we're gonna see. Ooh, I love the way it just like came on there. Yes, get it. This is really pretty, actually. Like, I like the beginning part. Like, the end part, I don't really like. We're gonna see where I can get it to go if I just blend it a little bit. Wow, you get it, girl. Easy. Yo, stop playing with her. This side looks so messy, but like if I don't blink, they won't be able to tell. We're not really gonna do my hair because I don't know what to do with it. Hold on, let me get my eyeshadow. Hold up. Take a step back. Anyways, I'm gonna wear my hair up because I'm always wearing my hair down nowadays. I'm just gonna put it up. And that's on period. And we're done. Yes, girl, get it. And this is what I look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want more makeup videos or get ready with me. What was that? Let me know if you guys want any more get ready with me or anything like that. Stay tuned for my Instagram pictures or videos. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but peace.